My name is GD. Me and my friend, we did a trip to Lombok and Sumbawa Island. There are so many new experiences that we found during the trip. I would like to share them with you. We set sail from Bali to Lombok at 12 o'clock in the midnight. And after 5 hours at sea, we finally arrived to the island of 1,000 moss hills. Good morning guys, this is Gusti Darmayasa at Travel with GD, and today I'm in Lombok. So this is my second day in Lombok. Okay, so today we will go to Bukit Selong. It's the hill over there. See, it's the hill over there. Let's go to the first place. It is Bukit Selong. Boom. Ya, sini nih aku di Selong nih. This is rumah adat or traditional houses that were broken. Guys, so this is the way to Bukit Selong, and we found some destroyed traditional houses because of the earthquake, and we need to climb up to this hill over there. Push. Wee! I don't need to do that. Okay guys, now we are going up to Bukit Selong. We just took some pictures and we like them so much, but it's still a way up. You know, the last pictures that I took is just from the lower part of this hill, and now we are climbing up to the higher one. Might be the highest. I think this way. Okay, stay tuned.
Traveling so far, like a dragonfly. The secret's there, I'm everywhere. Just you and I run away. I run away. I run away.
Yo guys, we finally arrived at the top, and the view is amazing, but it's the same with the one below. So we don't take pictures here, just to let you know that the view is amazing here. From the top you can see this. Okay, so you have so many hills, and you also can see the houses. Okay, this is the view that you cannot see on the lower part over there. Alright, so this is the Pergasingan Hill and the selfie spot. And I'm not so lucky because the Mount Rinjani there is covered now by clouds. So it's supposed to have Rinjani higher from the hill. Unfortunately, the cloud is not friendly today. So now we will continue to Kenawa now. So Kenawa is another beautiful island. It's not Lombok part, it's Sumba. But Sumba itu ya? Sumbawa, sorry. But it's very beautiful island. Okay, so let's waste no more time. Let's go.